Let's get this all up and running. Where is the camera?
Morning, Mark.
Morning, morning. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well. Yeah, there was a nice little trade before there in gold, actually. Closure back in the zone. 540 or something. Let me just try and sort this out here. Is my camera not on There we go, very nice. This is a bit messy for me doing all my work yesterday, but anyway. Okay, so let's just get the eyebrows looking fine. Okay, so let me change this because we took the L yesterday and then we took a break-even trade in NY session. So let me just go over here. So yesterday was interesting. I think if people jumped into yesterday with the balls hanging low, they would have got a hit pretty hard over here. So let me just go over here. Right, beautiful. So welcome everyone. Hope you're doing well. So yeah, I was just talking a bit about this closure back in the zone. I think it was all right after the 15 and the 30 closed here. Nice top wick and flipped. Happened right at 6 o'clock. So that was okay. Let's take a look then. Let's get rid of all of this. What's gold GJ doing? Yeah, GJ right now is playing about, looking like a big resistance here. So yeah, let's get rid of all that. Let's take a look at news before we jump in over here today. Morning, bro. Is your journal sheets available anywhere? Yes. I'll just send you it here. Share. And you can just make a copy of your own there. Oh yeah. Okay. So yeah, in terms of news, we have this morning we're okay, and we've got core PPI later on, unemployment claims, Fed manufacturing Philadelphia, change of price of goods and finished services. So yeah, that's news later on. Interesting. And tomorrow is actually pretty good as well. Retail sales, but that's pretty much it. So, in terms of news, we're okay. Let's take a look then. Yeah, yesterday I got a back spasm and it fucking killed, man. I couldn't play football yesterday. I was pretty much bedbound. Maybe not that high. There we go. Okay, so daily time frame, we still closed bearish in the previous one. Still overall pretty bearish at the moment, so it's decent. Pretty easy to see. Look like we are next to a zone though here. Support, sorry, at 1832. Still look at the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, so we're already finding some resistance here in the 4-hour to the end of Asian session, which is not bad. Take a look at the hourly time frame. We can start to maybe see what we have on the left hand side as well. See if this aligns up. Yeah, beautiful stuff. So 1832 seems to be quite a big level of support. In terms of if we break it, we go back down to 1826, which is like 60 pip zone, which is nice. And then furthermore, let's take a look below the yeah, then maybe back down to the support. These are our next kind of zones marked up over here. So yeah, still probably sells below 1832 if you get a nice closure. Sells below 1832.25. So who got clapped yesterday? Let's just do a poll. What did people do? Because I have a feeling I was so happy. I took a 1L yesterday and 1 break even, but in terms of that, I was happy because the amount of trades that people could have taken with gold here, with GJ yesterday, all down here, this bad price action, knowing that the 4-hour resistance was getting respected, that's where I put mine to break even. City game was fire. Yeah, it was good. It was good, eh? GJ 2L. Ooh. 2Ls, yeah. 2Ls and GJ didn't touch gold. Yeah, I think that looks like a lot of people have done that, eh? Where is the second L come from? Because I took this trade here. But I didn't manage risk because we were doing the hourly retest, and then we came back down. I wanted to fill to 700 level, but we got into like 10 pips profit. I went break even, and yeah, we just ranged for the rest of the day. So that was me completely leaving GJ alone. So let's just go continue here for buys. I mean, where would I want buys? Yeah, I mean, we do have resistance right here, 1842 makes sense. That's where the retest was. Yeah, so I mean, potentially you could maybe say buys above. Maybe say buys above. That'll be breaking previous 4-hour highs and stuff. So yeah, it could be okay. The zone above, actually, the only issue is the zone above is kind of choppy. There's wicks there. So actually, I don't think it would be the best idea until maybe above there. But still, it's still pretty hard, man, I think, for the buys. But maybe if you come above support, we might have clean candles. But for the most part, I'm just going to focus on the sells here, I think. Music's quite loud. Okay, sorry, 1 second. Is that better? Yeah, it is. Okay. So yeah, probably gonna wait for that. I think just for the gold cells. 1 hour time frame. 1 hour. Yeah. EJ looks amazing if we close above. Yeah, I'll take a look at EJ as well. Wow, we're still above over here. Damn. Yeah, it looks alright. I don't like how we're ranging very hard on that level though. But in terms of it, yeah, still a resistance here. Let's just mark that up a little bit easier for us. Let's go to the edge. Make that a little bit thinner. So yeah, I mean, potentially it is ranging pretty bad though, and the candles are a little bit sus, but I suppose a buy above. Sell below as well when it closes below. Potentially there was a lot of wicks there, 130 yesterday. Oh, that's nasty. Yeah, I don't think I'd want to take the sells there. I think I'd maybe want to take the sells below 142.9 and 13. Let me just change all this, the 4-hour and the daily. But yeah, still continuing bullish, still looking good. I wish I took them EJ buys yesterday instead of the GJ ones. But yeah, looking like we're kind of consolidating now. I don't really like this price action at all, to be honest with you. So yeah, gold sorted. Wow, looking like gold is already pushing up. Over here. See if there's a 5-minute trend line. Yeah, be a little bit higher up, I think. Let's take a look at GJ. Yeah, still in the consolidation. Yesterday I did nothing. Don't talk about the game. Also, still got a game in hand. Sit there, sit there, sit there. I missed the first half really, but I watched the whole second half. Korea's just doing bits at the moment, to be fair. He's actually running at them, which is nice. So 4-hour time frame looking like it's kind of consolidating, right? We're getting contradicting candles, bullish, bearish, so Normally suggests a bit of a range. Daily time frame closed bearish below again. Interesting. Interesting. Taking a look at the lower time frames, hourlies are not showing me anything in terms of where I want to trade. The only thing is maybe back down below this level, like I talked about yesterday. Sells below 789. Yep. 789 closure back in the range, in that range, and we should just fill it up. Nicely. To continue back down to 160, 166. In terms of buys, we did discuss that this is a huge resistance here. Potentially buys above could be reasonable. Because of the clean candles. So yeah, I back that. I do back that with a 30 closure, I'd say. I wouldn't want to take a 15 there, I don't think. Because it's a very strong resistance. So yeah, how much are people up on percentage-wise this week? For me, it's been pretty slow. I've only made like 0.4%. It's been pretty boring. Great sales in GDA if we make fake out and ground liquidity to Asian highs and back in the zone. Yeah, potentially. That could be nice. It could be nice. So yeah, we've got to wait now over here. Looking at the candles, a little bit choppy. I know that we kind of been doing this all week, to be honest with you. So we'll see. GD's had some nice bullish moves, to be fair, through the whole week, but it's just getting in. That one there was nice, actually. Yeah, we took this one. That bullish closure there might have been alright, but I got this one, didn't I? Did I? No, I didn't. Did I take this trade here? 830. Yeah, 848. Very nice. Yeah, I got that closure there. Next candle, yeah. Nice. To be fair, I should have got maybe a bit early there. That 30 minute was nice. Fast gym session right now. I'm looking at stream. Very good, very good. Get that gym session in. Yeah, I'm gonna try and go today, but my back is sore, man. I just got a spasm. I was just playing Harry Potter yesterday after the streams and stuff, and I just felt this fucking shock in my back. I was like, oh. Look at Bitcoin. Is it still pumping? Because I saw yesterday it started to run. Oh shit, yes. Back at resistance here. If it breaks above though, nice clean candles to 29,000. Fuck man, I that's a bit annoying. I just took some of my membership Bitcoin out of there. Got another fucking 15% out of it. So yeah, we'll see. I mean, what do I really think I could expect? To be honest with you, they're quite far away. I mean, EJ is all right. It's just I need such a strong closure for me. Look at that 4-hour res. That is a very, very, very strong resistance. Why? Because the 4 hours have rejected it for 5 times. So it's a huge resistance. A huge resistance. Let's take a look at let's take a look and see if we took a trade. Nope. Did 6 months of backtest in 1 pair. It came out average 5% max. Thanks, bro. Hopefully this year be full-time trading. Oh, very nice. Only for 1 pair as well. Good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, and especially when you get consistent, the only thing you got to focus on is just running trades, like which ones to hold. So I haven't really found a trade yet this year where I wanted to hold it, apart from maybe a fake out one that I should have. But yeah, we did another simulation session yesterday, guys, and we're starting now to put in the double lot sizing Asian swoops, fake out sells. And we took 2 last session and we made like fucking 8% on 2 trades. So that's what I'm probably going to implement here. If I get a nice fake out, I'm just going to double risk it. Obviously, people on funded, though, I'd advise not to. Just adding someone new to the folder. There we go. Is there a way to get agents indicator on MT5? Oh, I don't know. I don't know, to be honest with you. There might be one. Our favorites, 100%, man. The fake outs are good. Want to take EJ in the close, but got a feeling if it breaks the 4 highs, it's going to bust a nut. Yeah. I'd rather wait. I'd rather miss it than try and impulse this, man. Look how many times it's rejected this fucking resistance. I normally get cautious with these because back in the day when I used to see like a big high time frame resistance and I try to take the buys, it was never easy. It was always like a break even, or so I don't really care about the break of these all-time highs, to be honest, at the moment. It's alright. I'd rather break and then maybe retest later on, to be honest. So yeah, we've been playing that Harry Potter now. To be fair, Alex, have you been playing? What level are you? I think I'm level 14 or 15, I think. Finally got my broomstick. I'm flying around, man. I'm vibing. Very nice, very nice. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. Nearly hitting 9,800. Make sure to do that. Make sure to do that. I've got a Q&A coming as well. I'm going to edit that today. I think I've actually got it now from Caitlin's fucking phone, so that'll be great. Let me actually download that now. So be able to do that for you. Actually, I can download it on here. Nice. Don't need that on my phone. Let's take a look at the quality. Right, like I'm in.
What up, guys? Hope you're well and welcome back to my channel.
Okay, cool. Download. Look at that, 7.5 gigs. Fucking hell. I'll get that downloaded. Yeah, just like the 4-hour and GJ and EJ. Yeah, let's look at the 4-hour and GJ. Yeah, it's got a nice rejection width from the lows. That's true. That is very, very true. Yeah, man, and maybe that 30-minute closure there was all right after the top wicket. The only thing, because I saw it in the morning, obviously, because I wake up at 5:45, so I just look at the chart straight away. I saw that this candle closed, but it kind of already filled the zone, which kind of sucked. It already came down to my first target, 1835. So that's kind of what put me off. Look at Goldie go. Look at Goldie going over here. So yeah, I mean, in terms of taking gold buys, it's a hard one. There's also an order block there as well, so yeah, I'm not worried about that. To be honest with you. So yeah, so far this month it's been quite painful in terms of break evens. I've had 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I've had 5 break evens. Been a lot of lack of pushes. But it's to their own. It comes in waves, right? There'll be 1 month where I have 0 break evens and all hitting TPs, and there's some that I have quite a lot on. I just take it as it is, right? I don't really care that much. Okay, Goldie's coming up here. The hourly time frame pushing. Yeah, for me though, trying to find an area to take a trade on would be pretty damn hard. Even if the buyers came up. Realistically, where would I take them? Probably back above 1848. EJ rejected again. GJ rejecting again. So yeah, we've got to wait patiently. I know we say this a lot, but it is what you got to do. And also, to be fair, January, February are normally months that are a bit slower that I've seen on average, to be honest with you. Past 2 years, so because we just went through gold. Where is it? 1 second. Let's go here. We did gold for January 2022. And it was still kind of the same thing over here. It was just a lot of ranging. So there we go. Review of trades 2022. Let me actually just bookmark this. There you go. Oh yeah. I need to delete all these other ones. But yeah, this is it. So it was. Wait, what? No, it's 2021. I'm wanting. Yeah, this is it. Okay. This is not. This is 22 review. Review of trade of 2021. So yeah, these are the only trades taken for gold in January. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was not a lot at all. So let me book this one. Glad you got this gold buy for sure. Just saw his tweet. Oh, very nice. What did he say? How far is it pushed from there? It's gone up 30 pips. It's gonna have 30 pipperoonies. Yeah, we'll have to see. I still think. I mean, if we break these lows. Because we did actually, yeah, we tried to at 3:30, 3:40, 4 o'clock, but I don't think we had the juice. The rich dad guy. Wait, what? Why didn't you support at 161038 on GJ? So like here? Because this zone below is it's already rejected once and it's not the cleanest. The zone to the left of the side is not clean. I know if I just wait a little bit longer to 16800, I've got a clean zone. So that's what I'll wait for. And that'll be looking good now because the daily will come down as well. So yeah. Should be good. Let's put in the chat then. How are people's weeks going? How's your week going? Okay, let's do this. Less than 0. Less than -3%. last year you made over 100%. Yes. 2%. Very nice, very nice. Better than me this month. Sorry, this week. Yeah, I'm up like, including commissions and stuff like that, probably like up 0.2, 0.3. Only taking 3 trades. Or maybe 4. I think I may have taken a break-even one as well. Anywho, 2.5%, very nice. You're probably holding buys until 1840, he said, and looking for sells below 1832. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, I think should get that to at least there. You probably close there, 1839. So you probably closed in that previous candle. Back to that resistance there. He was looking at the 15. Up 1% this week. Also my 5th consecutive green week. Wow, amazing. Well done, well done. Well done. Yeah, I wonder what mine are actually. Consecutive weeks. Have we had a negative week yet? I don't think we have. No negative week yet. There might be one there, maybe. Let's take a look on the 9th of Jan. So the 9th of Jan to the 15th is all of this. Yeah, that was a negative week. First, 9th of January, I think. But after that, I think we're good. So 20th to the 16th to 22nd. Yeah, that was positive. Then obviously that one was positive to 3, 4. So yeah, I'm on my 4th consecutive. Very nice. Max, pat yourself on the back. I only follow you and RB, Roger Banks. Basically, I learned watching your channels. Very nice. That's great. Yeah, man, just comes from the consistency taking the same trades, man. You should be good. Well done. Max, do you think ATR indicator can help you with stop loss placement? No. I see so many adverts on YouTube that like, you need to stop putting your stop loss where all the retail traders put it and put it further below. It's like, yeah, okay. Whatever. Whatever you say. Whatever you say. My last one yesterday get blocked. Probably did, didn't it? Oh, shit. Copyright. Ah, FC Bayern München. Let's cut that out so we can actually see that one. Look at all these likes as well, man. Not even really any dislikes. Amazing work. Let's just take a look at more of these copyrights just in case there's more. Nah, that's the one that I played loads on. I got like 30 copyright strikes. It was bullshit on social media. Yeah, so I mean, if you had a bias of buys for some reason, I mean, the 15 did close above, reflipped, pushed, very nice. For me, I'm still wouldn't really sell, to be honest. Roger probably recording a vid on his phone now, up 40 pips. Probably, eh? Big rejection from these levels, though. Yeah, it's pushed pretty quickly outside. Came into the zone, was like, nope, I'm done with this. 1840 tapped. Look at them 5-minute candles as well. Never breaking the low of the previous. Good price action there. Very good. Can't say the same for the JPY pairs. So yeah, did some good questions. I think there was a lot of questions about overtrading or risking. I think there was some good little questions on that Q&A. So I'll get to editing that today. Oh, there was more. Fuck. I only did the last section of them. To be fair, it was like an 18-minute video, so I could do that first one and then the second one I'll just post later on. Mind if I ask you a music playlist? It's very nice. What we're playing now, or my actual music playlist? This is just all I put on. It's just a little vibe, and I also don't get copyrighted, so I can actually keep it on and people can see the stream after. Oh, okay. So, people in the chat, let's take a look then, what people said. So, 27% of people are down this week so far. 27%, so quite a big one there. 27% of people are down more than 3%. Damn. 37% of people are up more than 0% and only 12 above 3%. So yeah, it's looking like a very mixed bag of a week today. Sorry, this week. Yeah. Hey bro, I'm finally at a point where my trade's going to profit, but I'll take 12 13 pips and then a losing trade wipes out 3 wins prior. Any advice? Do percentage risk. Clearly you're just doing like fixed lot and you don't manage on your losing trade, and your losing trade stops at like 36 pips. How big are your stops on your winning trades? So yeah, I think gold was maybe okay there on the 15-minute closure above, potentially. Continue, because you had this clean zone to go retest there. It's not bad. Not bad, it's not bad. No trades taken this week. Wow, very, very nice. No setups that you liked. I go full risk anything below 40 pips. So yeah, you're just closing too early, man. Or finding trades that are... You know, are you just closing when it hits 10, 12 pips? Or are you actually looking to the left hand side and thinking if you can go further? Because that's what I'd probably advise over here. Yeah, so far this month for me, I'm up like 6%. I took that one trade that I didn't call out. It was a gold, very, very quick trade. Yeah, so I'm still up like 6%, which is not bad. It's okay. Money is money, boy. But I am wanting more. But to be honest with you, there hasn't been any candles that I've ran this month so far. EJ was so close to running. I would have got 70 pips out of that runner, but we just couldn't continue. This one here. That was a bit of a shame. Where did you get your hoodie from? Caitlin's wardrobe. A friend bought it for her birthday. I have no idea where they got it from, but it's comfy as shit. I'm not gonna lie. Caitlin goes to me. She goes, Max, why don't you be like more professional? Wear like something. I go, bitch, I don't care. I'm wearing whatever I want to wear. It's my stream. It's my stream, boy. What's it called? Let me just check something. Gmail. Where's magic keys? Just seeing if my if Max wants to raid Cardi B's wardrobes, it's his stream, damn it. It's my stream, god dang it. Ah, this is a bit grow. There we go. So 30's closed above now. Very nice. For me, it's right at that order block, so I wouldn't be jumping in. Trying to check something. 1 second. What the fuck is it? Sorry guys, I'm just trying to do something here, so I'm just asking me. There we go, fucking hell. Okay, so close my gold buy. Have a nice day, people. PPI today, yeah, very nice. I think that's a good level to take it off. 1840 psychological level, and that's the retest of this. Good idea. I'm finally seeing results in trading. Very exciting. Very good. Very good. I just wait now, and it's working. Exactly. Waiting is all you got to do. Some weeks are going to be fun, some weeks are going to be a little bit dull, but the waiting for your setups means that you don't give all your money away. I always talk about it. It happens all the time. In terms of, you know, the time and the equity curve, and you're starting off here, you know, if you have a good week, or a week that has volume, you know, you make some good profits, you're like, yes, this is sick. I'm going to do the next thing. I'm going to do the exact same thing next week. Comes on Monday, which is Monday here, and price action is shit, and unfortunately it's shit for the whole week. And people who know how to trade will just leave it, so they'll just sit on it like this, take maybe 1 or 2 trades, whatever. The people that don't really know that it's a bad week and they can't really sit on their hands and they'd rather take a trade will end up just doing this and coming back to 0 profit. And that's what normally happens with the break-even stage. You just do this. Whereas all you got to do here is just take out the lower push and do this. And that only comes from the crappy weeks just waiting. So for me here, this week's been pretty, I'd say, pretty hard in terms of taking trades, a lot of ranges. And I'm pretty much at this level. I just do this. Last week, it was like this. The week before was like this. The week before was like this. The week before that was a losing week, but very minimal. I think it was like minus 0.4 or something. So it'll be like this. 1 second. Before that was like this. So I think there's actually one gap there. It's like this. Like that. And that's what you're going to do. Nice explanation. That made real sense. 100%. Which month's the best month, Max? It's so dependent on what's going on in the world, man. Yeah. I think right now the reason why we're not getting as many moves as we normally do in terms of pushes is because the news that are coming out are just so important with inflation and all that kind of stuff. So they're just waiting until that comes out. But normally I'd say March, April, May. Yeah, I agree. I think March, April, May is probably the best. Last year it definitely was. Fucking hell, Kevin De Bruyne was riling up the Arsenal fans yesterday. He's such a champ, man. I fucking love De Bruyne. His story as well is so sick. I love the redemption stories where he got like dropped for Chelsea and everyone's like, he's shit. And I was like, oh, now he is the G. What's your experience with trades on the 30-minute candle just before London Open? I see a lot of fake outs, 30 minutes to London and New York Open. If it's clean candles to the left, it normally works. Yeah, just from back testing, man. 30-minute candles, if as long as the left hand side's clean and there's no stopping, I'll still take it. But yeah, let me actually go on and tell YouTube how I managed risk yesterday. So obviously we took that trade yesterday if you were on the stream. The next trade I took was at when the 30-minute closed bearish below. Just for the fact that we closed, we rejected this resistance. So I knew that we were always bullish. However, we rejected this. We rejected it here, and then when we closed bullish again, I expected that this candle here would continue bullish. We did not. So for me here, I was like, right, we are actually rejecting these highs pretty hard. I knew that the 4-hour resistance was at 1850. I think it was like there. It's like, right, as long as I can get to there, which is like 10 pips away, I can put my stop loss to break even, then run to like 700, which is like there. I was like, okay, cool, Gucci. Took the trade, instantly got into drawdown, came all the way back up, 30-minute close bullish, and normally that's when I start to manage risk. Now for me, the reason why I didn't manage risk is because the support was here and we didn't close above it. And if you look at the hourly time frame, at the time when the 30 closed bullish, it was like there. And for me, all it looked like was that price is making, so price makes a low, come back, retest the level it just broke out of, which is the support, to then continue back down. So it's very close to the hourly retest. So like, you know what, I'm going to give it a bit more room. We came up a little bit higher, and then we started to dip. When we started to push down here, I moved my stop loss to, well, my stop loss was here to start off with. Then I moved it to the current candle high. Then when we started breaking these lows over here, I was like, right, good stuff. When we come to 850, I'll go break even. We did 10 pips in profit, and then we hit break even. And then I think a lot of people were trying to take more trades or hold this trade to continue, but look at the price action, man. By this candle, when this candle started coming back down to these lows, you should have hit break even here. if you held all this crap, you gotta remember, candles are very, very important. If they're showing you strong candles with good direction, then that's great. If they're not, which they aren't here, then it's not good. Can't find yesterday's live stream video. Yeah, it got blocked because I played fucking Bayern Munich game, but it should be up by tonight because it'll just get redone. Let's take a look and see how this looks then.
What up guys, hope you're well and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go eat...
What? I need codec. What the fuck? Yesterday, yeah, after tax season and last year earnings starting March. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Look at EJ rejecting. Wow. Yeah, sells are quite a long way away though. For the time being. And yeah, GJ here looks washed, so we just gotta wait a little longer. Oh! So yeah, we'll see how this GJ floats down to support, and then I'll be very happy man to take trades there. Raj took buys in the previous 30-minute flip candle. What, here? Damn. Raj is the go. But look, I mean, clean candles, so I mean, as long as he knows he's rejecting. It's pretty mad he got in that early, to be honest, but that's Roger Banks for you. That is Roger Banks for you. Guess you took a 50-minute confirmation. Oh, here. Oh, no, sorry. The 30-minute flips down there. 15 confirmation only when it closes above, which is there, so I don't know how he got in that. That's mad. He's super aggressive. Yeah, he is. He's just looking for volume, and there was clearly some there, especially with the rejecting of the Asian lows. So yeah, see how this GG reacts in this choppy range. Chop range. Let's go to the... So it is 7:42 already. Coming towards London Open, which is good. See what we can get in London Open. Right now, there's nothing really at the levels that I want, to be honest. You know, if I was in simulation here, I'd be just skipping this shit until we get above there or below there. What I would be doing. I've been waiting for so long for that to break of 161,500. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I've had this marked quite a while as well. I agree. Let's do a little Wordle back before, so we are not thinking of getting into trades when we shouldn't be. We should just wait patiently until our zones. Let's see if we can get these quicker, right? Let's take a look. One thing simulation does not give: patience and waiting. This needs to be added while live trading. I think it does. Like, once you start to see that candles don't do anything in ranges and you just skip through the sims, you start to go, right, yeah, I really need to leave these zones alone. Zones alone, sorry. Apple, no. There's an E there. Black. Ah, A's still there. Shit. Ah, no. Meaning you can skip the candles quick. Yeah, 100%. I agree with you mean, Mark. 100%, 100%. Yes, sirree. Well, we got A in the right place now. No carriers bad. Yes, no R's. Come on, GJ, get down, brother. Just gonna get a little signal ready here, just so I'm ready to execute. Magic. Great one. Oh. Beautiful. Dubs in the chat. For Tashi over here. Very nice. Very, very nice. It's beautiful. 1 second. So yeah, I mean, GJ 16800 is where I'm looking. Is where I'm looking, boy. Imagine if he wasn't wearing any pants. That's for NY session. Yeah, looking like Goldie's kind of met its match over here. If you guys dig into some how GJ sells, 161's a good level. So yeah, maybe the next 30-minute candle will get that closure. Hourly looks good, rejected. The 4-hour flip, the daily timer is coming down, filling that wick. So we'll see. Yeah, let me just take a look at some. There we Did he close back in the zone? Also GJ? Yeah, exactly. So bearish sells are going to be nice in GJ, I think. Later on. Yes, yes, and yes. GJ rejecting again, but came back down to levels. As I said, closing at 161 was not a stupid idea. Look at that retracement, fucking hell. GJ, get out of the zone, please. Please. We've been in here since right at the start of Wednesday. It's only Thursday, to be fair. It hasn't been ranging too much. So has that poll changed? Oh, the poll is literally pretty even. You can see though, on average, it has been a worse week for people here. Less than 0%, 25. So people, quarter of people have lost more than 0 to 3%. More than a quarter have lost more than 3% this week. Now, why? People who've lost more than 3% this week, tell me in the chat, why do you think? What trades have you been taking? Have you been caught in ranges? Did you try and give trades a second chance when you probably shouldn't have? 28%. So I'm in this bracket here. 19% of people go more. Very nice. So, London Open coming. Let's get ready. Yes, sir.
I don't believe it. Here's why you fail.
In terms of GG, I'm just going to get it.
In terms of GJ, I'm just going to get it over here. Come on, GJ, get down, brother. So hopefully maybe next 30 or 15. We'll get what we want. I mean, there's still 7 minutes left. If this wanted to push, that would be great. That would be great news. But yeah, has anyone this year yet taken a deposit out yet? And has anyone taken a withdraw? Sorry, is anyone sorry, opposite? Has anyone taken a withdrawal yet, or are they still waiting a little bit? And who has taken already a deposit, an extra deposit? Who has done that? Not yet, Umax. No, I'm leaving it in. You know, I'm just compounding it. Yeah, because the first month I was up around about 10. I think I took one more trade out of this level, which was a 1.4%, I think, or maybe even 1.7. I think. So I think I was around about 11%, 10, 11% on January. February, I'm already up 6 or 7, so I'm up like 18% already. Obviously, that month's compounded on this month, so it's more than 18. Which is great. When do you take out money, like monthly basis? Yeah, like when we come towards maybe like April, May, then I might take some out. Yeah. IGJ sells not below 160, 700, below 30-minute support for safer range. What do you mean? Oh, like here? Yeah, I'm not asked. I think if we get a closure below this level, I think we're all good. It's also hourly resistance, so I think if we get a closure below here, we're gonna be fine. You could if you want to be safer, get it below here, but for me, I think any closure is gonna be fine. Yeah, methinks. Let's take a look and see who else is on today. DC in this building. Looking at funded accounts. That's all he does. Is he in a trade? Entry limit. GU. Very nice. See if champion's on. Doesn't look like he is. Oh, I watched Lord Banks yesterday. Lord Banks was in that call trade for like 7 hours, and then the news comes out and he just gets fucking twatted. Yeah, he's not live streaming today. Oh, the 5-minute closed above. Shit. It's very, very close to the open though, so we'll see. Yeah, and as I said, in terms of the buys above, I mean, on the 30, it's a little bit wicky. You see, in the 15, it's not the nicest, to be honest. It's the only issue. Yeah, the JPY pairs do sweet fuck all. The hourly time frame's quite clean above as well, so we'll see how this closes in a minute's time. Maybe some extra candles. So if you want to take this trend line, stop loss would be 12 pips. Yeah, coming towards maybe TP1 there. Stop loss to break even. That's how you could do it. GJ rejecting, yeah, that's a shame. Really wanted themselves. But it's not ready yet, unfortunately. EJ looking like it's come back up, but yeah, it's got such a big resistance there. At the moment. Did Wix get a trade in the Asian session? Did he get a little cheeky trade? I'll get in them gold buys 18.38. Very nice. Yeah, I think that's where I probably would have wanted to get in. On the 15 closure. Rejecting. It was alright. It was alright. So, low wick already been made on the hourly on Goldie. GJ's doing nothing. Let's take a look and see how spreads are this morning. Oh yeah, my IC markets yesterday lagged a little bit, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Spreads are alright. Can you see that the goalie came right back into 4-hour res? That's where you should take some off. Over here. Go on, GJ. Get your ass up. Ooh, reflipping that 4-hour time frame would be good. But yeah, the daily time frame still closed bearish below. Didn't have news yesterday. Is that what kind of made it bearish? Yeah, it did. Yeah, I think the news was quite key with GJ's push down yesterday. Yeah, straight away when that news came out, we just dipped. 15 close, strongly bullish. Still respecting this support. There's a big support at 161. Makes sense though, because that's the psychological level. My IC markets went off the second I entered a trade. Didn't even have time to put a stop loss. Lost 10% of my account. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, man, that shit just got it just froze for a while. Mine froze for quite a while, like 10 minutes or so. Yeah, 10 minutes it froze. Let me It lagged for some time, yeah. It sure did. Sure did. So yeah, it's just a waiting game here. How to use a 5-minute time frame? Does it explain your mentorship? Yeah, 5-minute trend lines all there. He's got an L yesterday, right? I don't know. I didn't check. Did he? Did he? What did he try and take? Let's take a look at what he could have taken. That closure above? I don't know. Wow, Bitcoin on a run yesterday, eh? Why was Bitcoin on a run yesterday? Well, the pound finally starting to see a decline in inflation. It's still there though, so that shouldn't make much of a difference. Retail sales are positive for US, so expects that people are having more money, right? If retail sales are up, it means more people have more spendable money. Therefore, riskier assets get bought up, and that's risky assets, so that's why it's pushed. Yeah. And that's why gold came down, because gold is a safe asset, and normally money is moved from a safe asset to a risky asset in times of wealth. A little bit of economics there. It's pretty simple though. It's just obvious, right? If people have more money, more assets that are less safe are gonna go up, because people have more spendable money to just put a bit in, right? So that's why Bitcoin's going up a little bit over here. Which folder did you explain about the 5-minute trend lines? They're all in webinars here. Webinars. Where is it? What the fuck? Oh, why are they gone up? Oh, it's changed. So gold 5-minute trend line, gold 5-minute trend line. They're the two videos that I've gone through really with them. Hourly's reflipped on Goldie, but yeah, it's at 4-hour res, so I wouldn't want to take the buys at the moment. Yeah, look at that, over 58 gigabytes worth of stuff here. Yeah, there's the homeworks, all the homeworks here as well. All the simulations, all the GJ simulations, all the spreadsheets, which I'm gonna make it a little bit easy to look at. So looking like GJ's coming up to 1842. Sorry, Goldie's going up to 1842. We are pushing P. Yeah, if I could look back at it, I mean, I suppose probably now thinking of it, the 15-minute closure above there was nice, but it was just at the start when I was kind of looking at everything. Yeah, gold is hella pumping, eh? Shoom! Broke 4-hour highs, looking good for the bars. Just seeing the zone. The zone on the 30 is not bad, to be fair. 15's a bit rough though, especially at the same time. Look, this is through pre-London. Rejected there. It's the only issue. Yes, GJ, get your ass down now. Come on, break this fucking zone. You've been sitting in here for a while. Push GJ. Yeah, hovered around 161 the whole of yesterday. Attention, Asian soup, gold fake out. Yeah, if it breaks above and then rejects, yeah. See that. Come on, GJ. Clean breakout might be the play. GJ's stuck in an Asian session zone. Yeah. Just needs to break below, what, 6,800. Bitcoin started going up before news. Nah, yeah, it started going up, but it's because they actually expected the news to be good as well. So started running at 9 o'clock after the pound news, and then the US news is all here. Yeah, I'm actually started moving at 6 o'clock. Much later on in the day. Did I mark this out yesterday? I swear I did some analysis to find some trades. Yeah, I did. It's a clean candle to the left side in the 4 hour here, which we filled very easily. Then we just launched. Is there any big news today? There's some PPI later on. You got any long terms for Bitcoin? Oh, you're not into that? Nah, I'm not into it. I don't think it's gonna be here much. I think it's gonna be there in terms of just holding, because there's a finite amount of them, right? So people just put their money in there instead of anything else. But yeah, I still don't think it's gonna be the best option. Especially when all the governments are making their own currency, they won't let you. They'll make it so that you won't be able to use the other ones, or they'll have loads of restrictions on it. So, if restrictions are on a coin, which are going to happen from governments, if you like it or not, you need to remember just basic business and basic economics. If the demand falls, which it will, because there'll be less people wanting to get into it, then the price will also fall, right? Supply and demand. Supply stays the same, but the demand will fall. Your poll is interesting, Max. 50%, 50-50 on winners and losers this week. Really balanced. Yeah, I did expect it. But the biggest category is more than 3% loss this week. So it's a bigger proportion of people losing a lot more than they are winning. Only 20% got more than 3. And people trading gold 4 hour celery. Nice. So yeah, I mean on the hourly it's kind of clean, which is annoying that this fucking 15 is here. So we'll have to see. Maybe some support and then resistance. So maybe some retracement, support forming, maybe to take a buy later on. Probably what I'd like to see. Make sure you like the stream if you haven't already. We're still waiting patiently for these pairs to move about, to be honest, JPY pairs. Goldie, I kind of missed the 15-minute, I think, here. Yeah, don't know what I was looking at. I might have been looking at GG at the time, but that's the trade. Closure above, that's all it is. It's pretty simple. Stop loss is safe as well. Clean breakouts might play. They tend to happen after your stream ends at 10 AM. not overall. If you go through sims for like the whole of last year, 10 a.m. was normally pretty shit. A lot of fake outs in that level. These markets are tough. Lots of experienced traders are losing because of movements unpredictable, even with the best strategies. Yeah, man, I saw Lord Banks take 2 L's yesterday, not manage risk. I saw Phoenix take 4 L's yesterday. So, yeah, a lot of people are just getting hit at the moment, so it's gotta be patient with it. Come on, GJ. Pick your direction, brother. And I will follow suit. Pick your direction. Come on, GG. Do it, do it, do it. We'll be waiting for you patiently to break this resistance. Hey Max, hope you're well. I'm using Magic Keys and it has a hotkey to my laptop keyboard. Do you have any ideas how to remove it? Thanks. No. Maybe in the peripheral, in the settings, have a look at the bottom maybe. I think there might be some hotkeys there. I don't know though, to be honest. Well, yeah, but that's annoying me. You're looking at your chart, you accidentally click your keyboard and you're in. On my Magic Keys on-screen version, if I press 1 on the numeric, it closes all my trades. Oh shit. Really? Dun, 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 dun. 15 no bottom wick. Reacted off the Asian high though, which is good. Little celery in the 5. If I press 9, it adds double order. Oh my god. Come on, GJ. Get above, boy. That'll be great. Don't just sit in there all day. That would be rather boring. Still only 90 minutes into this day. So into the London Open, so still got a lot of time, you know. Hey Max, the Aussie and the gold have similar charts today on the 15. The Aussie dollar, yeah, they do kind of tend. I think they have some sort of relations. I think that's a bit of a known thing. I'm pretty sure. I think we talked about it with Finney as well. I think they have a lot to do with oil, don't they? I think. Obviously, oil is it's quite important. Okada's oil. I don't know them in Aussie and gold. Interesting. So yeah, just waiting for that closure. If you get it on GJ, either way, I don't really mind. As I said, I think when it breaks out of the zone, we're gonna get the drive for the day. Goldie started to chill a bit there, but yeah, that was a nice move on the 50, man. It wasn't bad. Yeah, I checked options and even Google, but nothing. And Magic Key's not responding to my emails. That's not good. Has it always been doing that since the start, or has it just happened recently? Would you have got a 1-to-1 gold? I break it for almost. He always gives you 20 pips. Yeah, nice. Nice stuff. Yeah, you get 20 pips out of it. Like EJ's coming up again. But they're just not there yet. They're still brewing. Should've got we're on the first trial, all genius. What? Of all the words in the world. Oh, it's happened since the start? Ooh, interesting. To be honest with you though, I'm not gonna lie, I don't think when I've ever been in a trade I've ever clicked 1 or 7, so I actually probably don't know either. I'm not gonna try. Looks like Asian soup. Do you think on gold? It needs to close above first, then back below. Yeah.
Push it down.
So if this one closed bullish above, this one closing below. Fill zone. That would be nice. I would agree. I would agree. But we haven't had that closure above yet, so it's not really a fake out. Eso me gusta Max. Oh, muy bien. Muchas gracias. I don't even know what they mean. I'm pretty sure it's right though. If this 15-minute closes back below, it didn't really close above for me. 15 didn't close above, so it's not a fake out. It's just hitting the top high of the range, right?
Yeah, not the color.
Yeah, exactly. It hasn't closed above yet, so it's gotta wait. It's gotta wait a little longer. Ah, GJ, please get out of this zone, Lord.
DJ is crazy, man.
Yeah, man. This is not moving anywhere. Try and changing setting amounts on the keyboard. Yeah. So let me go through this week then. Let me just take a look and see what opportunities I could have taken on trades. So. Yeah, maybe that closure was okay at 8 o'clock. I think I was focused on something else, but let's just see this one, because this zone to fill, it's close above resistance. When you get to the support there, you go break even. You have 8 o'clock volume and a strong candle. And it's like support forming as well, which is nice. That one there, so I would have got in a bit earlier. Was that Tuesday? I mean, let's just go Monday first. So Monday, it was huge news, wasn't there? Then yeah, so nothing on Monday. Oh no, that's Monday, sorry, 1 second. Range to the left hand side, so I wouldn't like this. I would like a buy, and then there was retracement. This is support falling, but at 10:30, so it's not for me. Close above here. We just continue straight away at 12 o'clock, no lower wick, so probably wouldn't be able to catch that. So yeah, Monday I couldn't really take anything. Tuesday, I would have got the earlier entry, but I did get in actually on the 15-minute later on. I got in on this trade there. So that was good. Obviously, they come to the highs. That's great. Mine didn't hit out. That one would have continued, which is a bit annoying, but that's all good. We come back up. Nothing on that day. Yesterday, we came down. We took the buys here. Closure back above. Continue to the higher time frame with us, so I would have taken this trade all day, every day. Managed risk there. And then we took a sell here. Closure below at 11 o'clock, which is here. Was it there? Yeah, I see on the 30. That one there. To continue to fill this zone, we've got break even there. Even and now we're ranging. So yeah, I mean, I think I've got most of the opportunities for me here. Took that break even here. This was the main push on GJ this week. Let's take a look at gold then. Let's go through gold. I like doing this just to see, like, you know, have I been realistic or have I missed a lot of trades this week? Let's take a look. So Monday we came up, resistance to the left hand side. Don't like that at all. Yeah, closure back below Asian lows. Did I take this trade? What day was this? 13th. No, I did not. Okay, so let's just go through this then. This is the Asian high. Why did I not take this trade? What the fuck? Oh, well, this was earlier on here. Goes back below on this candle. Already kind of filled the zone. Yeah, it's all right, but the celery play there was maybe the reasonable. Because let's take a look at the 30-minute. 30 might help me out here. Let's take a look. Yeah, this is it. This is the what I should have taken, because this one here, which is the 15 closure below, 30 hadn't closed below yet, so I was waiting for this next 30 to close, and we already kind of filled the zone. So that's why I didn't really get into that. The only way you could have really entered there was what Raja did, which was the 15-minute celery there. Price came back up, rejected, break of the low, should fill this zone now. So that was a little bit harder in terms of a fake out. It was pretty hard, but it still worked out right. Later on, nothing. See here really. Yeah, just ranging. That was later on. Tuesday. Yeah, this was washed. Whole day, an absolute shitload of news. Have I taken any gold trades this week? One sell on the 14th at 8 o'clock. I was thinking maybe this trade. At 8 o'clock, was it? Yeah, this candle reflipping, breaking the lows. Wait, did I take this trade? I do not know. Remember this trade. Break at the previous low. 8 o'clock on stream on the 14th. There was a fake out. I swear I didn't take that trade. Where's the fake out though? Oh, I suppose Asian range there. Closure back below. Yeah, it came back to the lows and then I got a break even. Fair dues. And then here. Yeah, maybe that 6 o'clock closure yesterday. Closure below the left hand side was pretty clean. So maybe that 6 o'clock closure. And then another 6 o'clock trade, potentially for the sells back below. And then the buys back above. So yeah, it's mainly 2 trades today that I've missed. So respecting this resistance. But in terms of GJ, done what I could really. And EJ's been ranging as well, to be honest. Yesterday there was a little push, but... So for me here, I feel good, right? There hasn't really been so many options this week. There's been a lot of consolidation, so... If I can take my little bit of positive for the week so far, then I'm Gucci, you know. Gold closed below with rejection, wick, and dropping. Gold did not close below because it didn't close above in the first place. It's just closed bearish, rejecting the resistance. Still holding it. But yeah, good rejection wick, you know. Expect it to push a little bit. You means 5-minute fake out? Yeah, 5-minute got a fake out. This trend line's too steep. Yeah, so I won't be looking for that. So half an hour left until the hourly closure. Hopefully at 9 o'clock, maybe get a GJ closure there. Okay, so while we wait, I'm going to quickly go downstairs and get my new coffee pod so I can make myself a coffee. Okay? Because I'm still waiting here. I mean, EJ's coming back up, but for me here, if I know that there is a solid, strong resistance right here, right? Am I going to take it on a 50-minute closure above? Nope. I'm going to wait for the 30-minute and the hourly to close above. Okay. 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 So it'll be 2 minutes. Well, I don't know where my keys are, so that's great. So no coffee for me. Ooh, look at Goldie. Come on back below. And now it's made the new range, really, so you can kind of get rid of this now and just sit around here. Big boy rejection there. Big boy rejection. So yeah, we've got a while. Let's just play a game of chess while we're waiting at it. If you guys do have any questions, make sure to ask them in the chat as well. I started a new account. I've actually started a new chess account where I'm actually fully focused and I'm only playing like when I'm fully thinking about it. So we'll see how that one goes. It's just a fuck around one. Shit. He's literally done my move and I've fucked it. Yeah, shit. shit! He's literally doing the move. No, right, I'm fucking bailing out. This guy's gonna fuck me. I wasn't paying attention. That's literally the move that I always start with, the queen, and if they literally do what I just did there, you're fucked. Would you take sells on the 30-minute closure? No, because it hasn't faked out the zone. It hasn't closed above and then back in. It's just in the range now, right? Oh, why did I do that again? Oh my god, what a retard. Dum 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 dum. EJ's coming for seconds, but mate, that resistance for me here is starting to get so large that I'd rather miss it than rush it, to be honest with you. To be honest with you. Breaker 15 with stops above for me. Look at that push, boy. We even get a Goldie sells if we start pushing down over here really hard. It's moved a lot. I'm in the breaker 15 low, 0.5% hourly. Have also closed with no top wick. Nice. Come on, Goldie sells later on today, please. That would be gorgeous. What was I going to do here? Yeah, I was going to do this. Oh, but the fucking prick. He's actually duped me on there, to be fair. I think I'm ready to trade this guy. A lot of positions over here. Yeah, boy. Well, I'm thinking, right, I could take this pawn, then he's going to kill me there, then I'm going to kill him there, and then then he can kill me there, and then I can kill a horse there. So I've got, like, I can be one up on him. Let's just, do I want to move all of them? How could I check the king here, Killer Goon? Great rejection for later on. Maybe even at 9:30. Yeah. It's got enough volume. Your queen to g2? How the fuck do I get the queen to g2? My queen's there. Oh no, he disconnected. Fuck off. Oh, he's back. Yes. Very, very nice. Goldie is still bearish. Oh, come on. Yeah, this guy's gone, man. Ah, it's a shame, man. If we just got that candle to close and this candle to close back below, but it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. Finally, fucking hell. Let's play another one while we're waiting. Cause still waiting for this closure in 11 minutes time. What the fuck? That guy was going for me. Well, that was a quick one. Why did he move his queen there? That was retarded. Gold has PMS mood swings lately. Yeah. Oh, you can kill me there, fuck's sake. Oh. Interesting. Yeah. I need to get this first, don't I? Four hours flipping on gold. I repeat. EJ rejected again. That is not breaking that high anytime soon. You'll be +2. What does that even mean, though? It just means that your advantage points or whatever. But does that? I don't know why that makes any difference. Fuck. So I could move it there. You're right. If I move it there, I can still kill him. But will that make me in a better position? Not really. I can do this. always trade a bishop for a rook. Yeah. Why would I put that there though? It's just a kill for him. I can't do anything. He can just kill me with no consequences. Today's sim, bro? Nah, we've already done 2 sims this week. Yeah. Oh yeah, you can't actually kill me there. When did this dude get my queen? What the fuck? I remember losing my queen. Bush! You guys treated queens at the beginning? Ah, yeah. Oh, yeah. A nice W, nice W. Oh, this is only for the mentorship group? Yeah, I normally put like... If you go back on my YouTube, I do have a couple simulations, maybe 2 simulations. 3 there. 1 there, and 1 there. So, yeah, I think we're at standstill over here. Which is a bit of a shame. Goldie may be that 15 as I said, but apart from that, it's all good. If you got that 30 closure, 38 pip stop, 30 pip gain, so I was off on that one. But it's just a normal day in the trading when things are maybe a little bit slower. Or I can't find my zones. You just take it as it is. As I say, at the end of the month, no one cares how many trades you took, just percentage. Max, I'm at break even. I'm going to take partials at 1834. Hopefully some runners. Have you closed any yet? Because if we know there's news coming out and we're at the 4-hour flip and the daily flip, it's, you know, it could just range there for the rest of the day until the news comes out. So I'd probably close some. I want to trade, but it might happen maybe 9:30 potentially. But yeah, maybe it's just gonna have to wait for this news to come out, which is all good. Bet Raji took 100 loss on that call too. Maybe. So I'm probably going to check at 9:30, see if we get any closures above and below, but if not, I'm still waiting for a buy above, sell below and GJ, maybe a buy above an EJ, but I would need a strong hourly closure above. And gold, I'd want sells below 1832. I'm still really looking for sells on gold. I'm not too asked about buys at the moment, just for the fact that daily's still very bearish. So yeah, guys, bit of a boring session over here, but it's all good. It's all good. So far this year, this month, 7 wins, 3 losses, 5 break-evens. So quite a lot of break-evens this month. Last month I only had 3. But it's all good, right? We'll see you guys later on. I will check at 9:30 if there's a trade. If so, I may come back online and we can take that trade. But if not, have a great day, guys. Make sure to check out the mentorship if you guys want to come and join. And yeah, we'll see you guys later on. Take care, squad. See you later, Zoom. Thank you so much for coming on. No trade this morning. But yeah, we'll be good for NY. We'll see. Cheers, guys. Peace out. Peace out. Adios. Adios.
Stop.
See you later,
Yes,
Michael.
amigo.
See you later, guys.
See you
Adios.
later,
Adios.
Max.
See you later. See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. Peace out. See you later. Have a great day. Have a great day. Stay positive. Hope you're doing well. Smash your goals today. I'll see you later.